When an oil and gas plant is set up, it goes through various stages one by one. The very first stage is called feasibility study, which is one of the most important phases of the project. What is feasibility study and why is it so crucial? Any project which is at the proposal or conceptual stage must earn the confidence of the stakeholders or owners. The term feasibility itself says it all, whether the project is feasible or not. So all the aspects of the project are thoroughly examined through a series of studies. This stage assesses if the project is worth pursuing or not. Every possible potential risk involved in the project is perceived. This includes financial risks, market risks, technical risks, procurement risks, operational risks, etc. By identifying these risks early on, stakeholders can make informed decisions on whether or not to proceed with the project. If yes, then what are the risk mitigating strategies that need to be devised for the success of the project is laid out in front of the owners. One key part of this study is FEED, which is called as front-end engineering and design. This is where various engineers, designers, project managers and subject matter experts from all the disciplines produce certain engineering deliverables and design documents. Based on these deliverables and design, the project can be assessed to see if it is feasible or not. The key disciplines which constitute the project are civil, mechanical, piping, electrical, process, instrumentation, safety, etc. FEED is a very decisive part of the project life cycle, which determines the fate of the project. The FEED team works closely with the owners to understand their vision and the purpose of the project. Conceptual designs are developed and cost estimates are done. Various design alternatives are explored to find the most optimal solutions. Preliminary design and other basic engineering work such as process simulation, equipment specification, preliminary cost estimates, process flow diagrams, also abbreviated as PFD, and piping and instrumentation diagrams, also known as P and ID, are developed. PFD and P and ID diagrams elaborately describe the flow of the process step by step. It gives us a visual representation of the sequence of processes in the operation of the industry. It also illustrates how the equipment is arranged over the layout of the industry. The specifications of all the equipment, for example, size, capacity, material, and other important requirements, are listed. HAZOP studies, which is called as hazard and operability studies, are conducted to identify potential safety risks and any operation issues that can occur during the development and operation of the plant. Mitigation measures are proposed to ensure that no mishaps occur during the execution and operation of the project. During the FEED stage, any threat that this particular project poses to the environment is also assessed. This ensures that all compliance with environmental regulations and standards are met. Steps are taken on how this project can be made more environmental friendly. Once the FEED packages are completed, it is submitted to the client for review and approval. Feedbacks and suggestions are incorporated as needed. The plans are reconsidered based on the findings. Only when the stakeholders are satisfied does the project move to the next stage of EPC, which is detailed engineering, construction, equipment installation, commissioning, operation, and maintenance. As time does not permit, we shall see how detail engineering and other important phases of the project are carried out in our next video, so stay tuned. If you found this content useful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. A small step of yours can boost the algorithm big time. Cheers.